Doing what he gotta do, man. You know what I'm saying? All my photographers know. You gotta hang out the window, get them shots. I don't know if he, I don't remember if he told me he had a Scat or not, but my boy shit's clean, bro. I wonder what year it is, bro. You already know how I'm thinking. What year is it?
2020?
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh shit. 2020. You trying to run it, bro?
I'm down.
We might as well, you know?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Let's just see what we got, man. I wasn't expecting this. Oh, okay. Hell yeah.
Evolution, intake, and then the catch can.
JLT, I like that one.
Yeah.
How is this? How do you liking this one right here?
It's good.
Evolution?
Yeah. But I was looking into getting the one you got.
The AFE?
Yeah.
Yeah, those ones are pretty good. They're expensive though, bro.
Do you have the airbox?
Yeah, I have the whole.
Hellcat?
Yeah, I do have that. I use that with it. Yeah. You can check it out if you want. You know what I'm saying? I don't know.
Body there?
Yeah, I just washed it. Regular shit, you know.
Yeah.
Nothing crazy yet. But yeah, man, you guys see it. Stock boys. Just the just the intake and the catch can. All right, guys. Yo, that worked out. I was not expecting that. My boy just came to take some pictures, and he ended up having a 2020 standard body Scat Pack. So we're about to get some runs in, baby. About to see how this thing does against the standard body. You've seen what he has. You guys know what I have. Everybody that's familiar with the content. And if you're not, I showed you anyways. He said he has a pedal box too. I don't know if I recorded him saying that. So we'll see, man. I don't have a pedal box or nothing. I gave mine away. All right, so look. This is how I do it, man. I'm gonna just throw that thing in track, and I'm gonna take traction all the way off. And I asked him, he said he's gonna put his in track as well. You see, stability, control off. All right, let's get it, man. Bro, it seems like it's taking hella long to shift. We gotta get another one, man. You know we gotta run a couple. 60? Okay, baby. I don't know, man. 40? I don't know, man. I don't know what it is. Bro, that is fucking amazing right there. Holy shit. Damn. Hey, it was a beautiful day though, I ain't gonna lie. Very beautiful day. I'm about to go talk to my boy right now. What'd you think of the runs, bro?
Scat for sure.
What?
Got something on that, huh?
Nah, bro, that's a lot of people think that though. I don't know why. I don't know what it is, bruh. Like,
It's crazy.
what were you racing in track mode?
Yeah, I
You
was
were?
on third. What were you on?
When we did the 50s, 55?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was in third. And then 40 from
You just
second.
grip, though. That was the thing. You were just grip.
Yeah, they do grip.
I was spinning.
Were you spinning?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I didn't even know. Man, Dash, maybe get another run in.
Yeah.
This is where a bunch of people come over here. The Scat Peasy.
Tell him run it.
I will, shit, if he comes over here. Honestly, I thought the little weight, it's not that much weight. Those things are pretty damn light, but I did add a little bit of weight, you know, adding the whole front lip and the side skirts and all that. So I thought it would slow me down just a bit. I don't know what to tell you guys,
They're
man.
both 2020, so.
Yours is the 2020,
Yours is a wide body, mine ain't, but.
and they say that
Does it now?
they say the standard body should beat the wide body, since the flares kind of like drag it a little bit, add a little more drag, and then a little bit more weight. But I don't know.
That would keep up, at least keep up.
I was kind of curious because, like, bro, I was like, fuck, I don't know if they'll beat me or what, bro. But
I think it was just the Toyos.
it could be, yeah. You said you were spinning,
I
right?
was spinning, yeah. His plates, they say Seaside, that's where I'm from.
See the Hellcat. Got the red guts in there too. It's just probably all fucked up. My boy's showing off. I don't even know who this is. Go burn out, bro. Fucking people's dinner up and shit. Out here parking where we shouldn't be, you know, getting them pictures done. There he goes. Yeah, there's some cool ass dudes right there, man. Shout out to them, bro. They came, I think, like 2.5 hours, and they waited hella long for me to get here. And they're cool as hell, bro. They did B-roll, we did rollers, we got a run in, as you guys seen. We took a little photo shoot with both of the cars, just my car. So it was dope, man. Those are some cool ass guys. If you guys need anything done and you're in the area, I think they travel too, hit them up. They're super dope. He says the pictures and all that will be done by tomorrow. So it's lit, man. But as far as the race goes, he did have 2 passengers, so that probably did have a lot to do with it, because especially in these cars, man, like I was telling them, I've raced a Mustang before that were usually like neck and neck, and I had one person in the car with me and he smoked my ass, you know, and that's happened on several occasions. You know, in any car, weight is gonna matter, but I feel like especially in these cars, the weight like really matters. So even though, you know, I'll take my dub, you know what I'm saying, I'll take my little win, there's still more 2020s in town, you know, that I still gotta get runs in with. So, you know, stay tuned for more runs with some 2020 Scat Packs. You know, the runs ain't done. I still have a Daytona 2020 that I'm gonna get a run with. I have, you know, another 2020 narrow body Scat that I'm gonna get a run with. I have a 2020 Challenger, a 2020 wide body that I'm still gonna get a run with. So we're gonna line it up with a few more people. So don't worry, you know, I know a lot of people, even when I raced the 19 Scat Pack, you guys seen the results of that, a lot of people thought like we set it up, or that it was an RT, or that I had my car modded, or I don't know, man. People are gonna say whatever, but don't worry, we're gonna get a whole lot of comparisons of a whole bunch of different cars. People, you already know, man. But hey, that was dope. Like I always say, appreciate you guys for coming through and kicking it and watching the vid, especially anybody that's still here at this point. I appreciate you guys the most. If you haven't yet, go ahead and drop a like if you did enjoy the video. I appreciate that, man. It helps out a lot. All links to everything you guys might need, anything you might want, all down below in the description. All my social platforms, everything's down there. If you haven't subbed yet and you're watching the vids, man, go ahead and hit that sub button, because it helps out a lot, guys. It really does. Along with the likes and the comments and all that stuff, comment down below, tell me your guys' thoughts. All that stuff really helps tremendously. So thank you everybody that does comment and like on the vids, and everybody that's subscribed. I really appreciate you guys, for real. But until next time, that's gonna do it. Who is LouieXIII checking out? Salute.